guys, welcome back to my subscription obsession. Today we are going to be unboxing BoxyCharm for January of this year, and this is their base box. I will leave you guys all the information on the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to this amazing box, guys. So for this month, let's see what the theme is. So the theme is going to be refresh. And everything, this is my information card. Everything that's inside the box is listed here with prices. We will go over the prices as well. The first item that I am pulling out the box is going to be for the brand Wonder Beauty. And this is their Scape eyeshadow palette. And this palette, I can't even talk. This palette, guys, retails for $42. Okay, it has a mirror, so we're gonna go ahead and override that. Okay, so look at all these beautiful colors. It has a moonlit, nude beach, daydream, enchanted, flourish. They're just beautiful, beautiful colors. Love them all. So this is my first item, guys, and like I previously said, this retails for $42. This already paid for your box and left you some money behind. Seriously. Next item is going to be this here. So this is a contour kit, and it's from Aesthetica. And I am sure it has a mirror as well. So we're going to go ahead and cover that. And there you go. So it has all these contour shades. This retails for $40, and this is their cream contour kit, guys. I actually own the powder one, and it is super good. I have not tried the cream, and I am super excited to try this one out. And this one retails for $40. Next up, guys, we have something from Dragon Beauty, and this is a lip job liner, lip pencil, and it also includes our sharpener. Oh, there we go. Okay. Dragon Beauty. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand before. Ooh, but I do like the color. And this is retails for $18. And it says you can contour, you can reshape, and you can create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Interesting. Interesting. And best of all is that it already comes with the sharpener included. Next up, we have something from Purr. And I love this brand. And this is, it says here, Eyes Fully Charged Mascara Power by Magnetic Technology. Ooh, sounds interesting. The color is black. I have not ever tried their mascara, so this is definitely going to be interesting. If I can get it out of here, it will be nice. It's like stuck. Oh, okay, I see what's going on. Okay, there we go. So this is what the outside looks like. So it's fully charged, and that's what the wand looks like. I am definitely eager to try this. Super interesting. And this is this retails, guys, for $22. $22 for the Purr Fully Charged Magnetic Technology Mascara. Last but not least, we have something from Earth Harbor, and I love, let me tell you something, I love this brand. It's one of my favorite brands, and this is their Superfruit Radiance Balm, Seafruit, Super Berries, and what is it for? So we are going to find out right now. This retails for $38, and it says here as sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm. They insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K. Ooh. So this is going to leave your skin super dewy. And let me tell you something right now. Many of you know that I reside in Florida, but it's been super cold here, so my skin has been super dry, and this sounds amazing. Ooh, feels really nice, and it feels really hydrating as well, and it smells good too. Definitely another item that I am going to try. This is why I love BoxyCharm. And like I said in the beginning of the video, everything will be on the description box down below for you guys. See you guys with another unboxing video soon. Bye guys.